guys, today is March the 26th. It's about 6:44 a.m. Pacific time. The market just opened 14 minutes ago, and we're gonna cash out some of our call options we have. As you can see, we're already $91 for the SPY contract we got. This one is, we're currently up $367. We bought a debit and a naked call, so we're just gonna go here, and the first one we're gonna sell is the debit. As you can see, we're up 53, and we originally paid, how much we paid for this one? $86, and we're gonna be cashing out $139 so far. So let's do this. All right, so this is not a bad investment. We did 61 total return, which we did $53 out of our initial investment of $86. The other one, the one that's doing very well, it is this one, which was a naked call. We paid $382, and we predicted that the price was going to go up past 386, which obviously we have. It's at 391. So we're gonna take advantage of that and take home $306, which is 80% total return. So we're gonna sell to close. We're gonna put one and review order. All right, hold on. I'm back. All right, so as you can see here, it keeps going up, so I'm debating to close it now. All right, so we close it right now. This is how much we take home, 710. As you can see, the market is just changing. Normally during opening, the market goes crazy, and this had some great start during after hours. So if we cash out 323 of profit. So let me see if I could close it, because I put a stop loss on here, which I'll show you guys how to do that later on. All right, so oh yeah, I have to stop it first. Okay, so let me. So what you gotta do is you gotta cancel the stop loss that I put on here, and I did that to secure some profit, but I'll show you guys how to do that later. Okay, so here we go. Go back. Hopefully I didn't lose anything. All right, so let me sell because it's dropping now. Wait, oops. Why is it not letting me? Hold on. All right, here we go. I think it took like a minute for it to kick in. I'm just waiting to see if it goes back up. We're at 697. We still make $315, so we're still good. I want to hit the 700 so it could be even. So hopefully it will go. Here we go. So here shows our one contract. So all right. I just need that little push. Here we go. Hopefully we get the 700 right now. See, that's what I hate about this. You can stare at this all day, and it's just gonna fluctuate all morning. So I'm just gonna lock it in. There we go. Perfect. I don't think I got it, but yes, I did. All right, here we go. All right, so I went ahead and closed it. So I'm just waiting for it to kick in. We go back to our portfolio. All right, so these will show. They'll be off once they get filled. Normally it takes with SPY. Normally it takes like a couple minutes. I mean, the longest I ever seen it was, there we go. See, they just went away. So they just got filled. This is how much we have buying power now. So now here we go back to SPY, and this is what we sold today. All right, so give it a second. We scroll down. All right, so let's show you what we did since yesterday. So if you watched yesterday's video, I showed you what I did, and first we bought a debit spread for $86, and we sold that just as you saw in the video. We sold it for $139, so that's a little nice profit. and the other one I paid $382 for the one contract, and I just sold it for $700. So I mean, that's not bad. I mean, that was over $300 pure profit. So now what we're gonna do, you know, so now I'm gonna do another option. There was a company I wanted to look at. PR. Okay, so this one dropped really hard. Nah, I'm gonna pass on this one. This is a company I was thinking of buying. But lately I had bad luck with them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy another SPY. See how it's really high? It's gonna drop. I know the SP 500. Again, that's one of the things I always told you guys to keep an eye on and monitor and understand a stock so you could make fully good decisions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a put now, because now even though it has 391, I know it's gonna go down. So I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so we can do continue, and I'm gonna go 3 contracts. No, I'm gonna go a little bit bullish. Actually, remember guys, very important before you do anything, check your expiration date. I was about to do the 29th, which is not good. So we're gonna do April 1st. I was like, why is that so cheap? Alright, so notice that we're giving them more time, so the chances of it hitting or dropping are a lot higher. So 270. Okay, so I want to see if I could get myself. Okay, so there's a huge difference, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go with April 1st. I know SPY very well, so we're gonna go back down. Oh wait. Alright, we're gonna predict that it's gonna drop 390. Actually, it's at 391 right now, so 200. Alright, we're just gonna select this one. We're gonna say that it's gonna hit 390 before. Alright, so remember, you want to hit a buy, you want to put an expiration April 1st, and I'm going to predict that it's going to drop to 390 by then. Now, if it drops later today, which chances are, that's when you sell the same day. So, and we're going to buy 2 contracts. Alright, so we're going to spend $454 on 2 contracts expiring April 1st. That's going to drop before 390. So, see? So, technically what we did, we just bought some of our profits. We use some of those profits and we're going to reinvest again. Okay, so that's how it works. This is how the stock market is. I mean, you could pull out the profits and continue using your capital, but we just got to do what we got to do to double up. So we're very close to hitting that $1,000 mark. So today was a good day. We're already up $98, and I'm just waiting for the stock to come up here. All right, it shows here that they got my order. And so it's about 6, it's going to be 7 a.m. I might do another video later on today to show you where we're at, but right now it's at SPY is at 391. And hopefully we could do a day trade, so meaning that we're going to just sell that same day if we hit our mark. But other than that, this is the one we had earlier. This will go away in a little bit. That just shows what we had going on. So look at this. Okay, so there you go. See how they just disappear? All right, here's our put. It just got filled. So we go back to the portfolio. Okay, actually the other one hasn't. It's supposed to show here the one I just purchased. So we just give it a little more time. All right, so this is the one. All right, so as you can see, we bought 2 contracts for $456, predicting that the price will go down to $390 by April 1st. Which we have plenty of time, and right now the market's hot, so a SPY is currently up, but don't worry, it's gonna drop, and when it does, we cash out. And then chances are it might even drop later on today because it's a Friday. So if you know the market, like normally at the last minute it just drops. But we'll see. We'll continue on. Even if it doesn't drop, we still got until April 1st to sell out. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Welcome back. Today is still March 26th, and we're a quick update. It is 11:12 a.m. and the recording you just saw, that was earlier today when the market opened. And if you recall, I sold some of my options, one for 700, and I bought another one. And since the time frame, which 4 hours later, as you can see, I'm up. I'm doing very well. I'm up $326 for the day so far. I reached my goal of over 1,000, which I'm very happy with. So as you can see, this is the contract I just bought earlier. I predicted that the price was gonna drop. Remember, what I told you about understanding the stock. I knew the SP 500 never hits. Once it hits the high 392, 394, which is the highest, it always drops. There's a limit there where people tend to sell once it hits there. So I knew it was going to drop. So as you can see here, I bought this contract. I bought 3 contracts for $405, and we're currently up 168 here. Okay, so I have two options going on. I have that one, and then I also have this one where I spent $456 on 2 contracts, and this one's only giving me about $58. Now the difference, the reason why this one's giving me a lot less versus the other one is the expiration date. This one's April 1st, and this other one that I bought expires March the 31st. So obviously there's more risk for the fact that it's a lesser time, but again, it's only a day. It's only a day difference, and look how huge the difference makes. So I'm gonna sell this one right now. I'm 171 as we speak. So I know it's gonna continue to drop. So I don't know if I should sell now or hold on to it just a little bit more. Now, again, it's 11 o'clock. Normally, the power, it's like around 12 o'clock. So the chances is that it might drop a lot more right now. In terms of the SPY it's at 390. So chances are it might hit the 388. Which if it does, I mean, obviously I'll make a lot more. I'm at $350 for the day. So it's a good day. I'm going to keep buying on it. And if I see if it's going back up in terms of the target price, I'm just going to sell and take my profits. But other than that, I mean, I reached my goal. I'm at $362 of profit for today, and I reached the over $1,000 goal. So as you can see you've seen all my videos. I'm being transparent and showing you everything I've been doing. And this account, I only opened it with $300. And let me show you guys, because I know there'll be some that are not going to believe me. So here it is. I did March 16. I opened the account with 100. March 22, I did another 140, and then March 23rd, 110. So if you add this up, we're doing about $350. So with $350 since March 16, I'm already over 1,000, going to $1,200. So there you go. You don't need a lot of money to make some profit in the stock market. And hopefully, now that I've surpassed the 1,000, the next mark is going to be $5,000. So hopefully we could reach that goal, and we go from there. Make sure you hit the like and hit the subscribe. I will update more updates.